everyone. If you're new here, my name is Khushi. I am 21 years old. I graduated from SRCC last year and I am currently doing investment banking. So, to give you a bit of context, I was recently reading a book called Atomic Habits. You might have read it, it's a very, very common book. And it just got me thinking that how important little habits in life are to really, grow up, glow up, and become a better version of yourself. And I felt like if I made this video, it would help someone somewhere out there because I know I would have needed it when I was like 15, 16, 17. And if not, it would be a reiteration to myself. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, I think the first and the very important thing is to form an opinion for yourself. Because as you grow up, you realize that what might be right for you might be wrong for others. There is no black and white in this world, there's only gray. And you could be right in some aspect, and someone might think you're not right. And that's okay. And I'm not saying that you should be adamant about what you feel. You should always be open to incorporating others' perspectives, others' opinions, and change your opinion based on what others are telling you. But you should also be standing your ground for what you believe in. And if you believe it is right, you should always follow your intuition. And I think the second and the most important thing that all of us Indians need to really, really learn is to stop caring about what others think of you because लोगों के पास हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कहने के लिए होगा but what matters most is what you think about yourself and what the people you love think about you, especially your parents, your mom, your dad. What do they think about you? And अगर तुम अपने आप को सही लगते हो and तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को तुम्हारे एक्शंस सही लगते हैं तो उससे ज़्यादा तुम्हें आगे सोचने की ज़रूरत है ही नहीं because at the end of the day nobody thinks about yourself more than you do, more than your parents do. So तुम्हारे दोस्त के दोस्त या तुम्हारी दोस्त की मम्मी क्या कह रही है is not something you should be looking at, and don't take advice from people that you don't look up to. So I mean, I feel like as children we're always told that oh उनका बेटा कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, oh उनकी बेटी कितनी अच्छी कर रही है. Don't follow what your heart tells you to do. Stop comparing yourself. And I know it's easier said than done because there are people constantly around you telling you that you should be doing life this way, you look better in this way. Who cares? What matters at the end of the day is how you perceive yourself, and if you are satisfied with that, nothing else matters. It is so important to draw that boundary that लोग तुम्हें आगे फालतू की एडवाइस भी ना दें. लेकिन वो जब भी मेट का डायलॉग है ना करीना कपूर का, ये फालतू का ज्ञान आप फ्री में देते हैं, इसके पैसे चार्ज करते हैं, लाइक दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. ड्रॉ दैट बाउंड्री कि मेरे को आपका फ्री का ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए एंड वी विल स्टॉप इवेंचुअली बिकॉज मेरे साथ तो हो चुका है. लाइक यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर सेल्फ. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए तुम्हें खुद में कि पीपल आर इंटिमिडेटेड टेल यू कुछ कि भाई ऐसे कर ले या वैसे कर ले. I think the third and again a very, very, very important point for people my age especially is to reduce your screen time. I constantly find myself in the dilemma कि अगर मैं लैपटॉप यूज़ नहीं कर रही, मैं फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं कर रही या मैं टीवी यूज़ नहीं कर रही तो मैं क्या करूँ? Like I'm working, I'm on my laptop, I am scrolling through reels, I'm on my phone. So where do I draw that balance of working and relaxing? Please, please, please don't make Instagram or watching shows your hobby. Like watching shows is should be fine, but Instagram should not be your go-to relaxing activity. And even I am still working on that. So what I recently did was that I started to care about my health a little bit more. So I started going to play badminton with my friends. So it helps me reduce my screen time, go out, get active, and just spend so much less time on my phone. अगर मैं 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा फ़ोन पे बिता देती हूँ ना तो मुझे गिल्ट होता है. And I know most of the generation is addicted to their phones, like in one way or another, if not Instagram, something else. तो आई फील लाइक यू शुड ऑलवेज मतलब जब भी तुम्हारे हाथ में फ़ोन हो यू शुड ऑलवेज रियलाइज़ कि जब भी तुम्हारे हाथ में फ़ोन हो यू शुड ऑलवेज बी लाइक कि हाँ मैं अभी 4 बज रहे हैं और 4-5 पे ये फ़ोन बंद हो जाएगा और मैं इसे रख दूंगा एंड आई विल डू समथिंग एल्स. Either it's a sport, either it's reading, or anything else. I also recently got into the habit of adult coloring. So yeah, कुछ भी करो. Don't use your phone. Trust me, your life will be so much better. I've lost count what number this is, but the next one is to make an effort to look good for yourself. It is important. I know we grew up in a society that tells us that if you don't look a certain way, then you won't be perceived a certain way, and it is very important to look beautiful or something. No, you should like how you look. You should feel beautiful yourself. And agar uske liye you have to do some grooming, you have to change how you dress, do it for yourself, not for anybody else. If you have to go to a dermatologist to feel better about your skin, or if you have to experiment with clothes to find out what your style is or what type of hair looks good on you, just do it. Like मेरे लिए I wear specs, but मुझे कभी कभी नहीं confidence आता in my specs, so I got contact lenses. Big deal. यार तुम खुद सोच के देखो, what is the first thing you notice about a person when you meet them? How they look, how they dress, how they conduct themselves. And appearance is secondary. This generation uses a word called aura, and it is very, very important. Like when you walk into a room, what energy do you bring to that room is very important, and it should be filled with confidence. Trust me, you अगर तुम एक रूम में जा रहे हो and you are confident about how you look, nobody will be able to judge you or anything like that. And उससे याद आया that we constantly think, like I am an overthinker and I constantly think that अगर मैं यहाँ चली गई तो they'll judge कि मैं ऐसा क्यों कर रही हूँ वैसे. People have their own lives to live, and कोई भी उस सेकंड के बाद भी तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोच रहा है, unless you do something very very embarrassing. तो 2 दिन लग जाएंगे, 2 दिन सोचेंगे, उसके बाद भूल जाएंगे. So just stop caring about लोग क्या सोचेंगे. And everybody has done some embarrassing shit in their life that they think about constantly, and वो कभी नहीं भूलते. And मतलब आई एम तो वेरी वेरी क्लमसी, तो आई डू समथिंग एम्बैरेसिंग एंड उसके 2 दिन बाद इट बिकम्स अ लाफिंग मैटर, सो इट्स फाइन, इट्स ओके. सो या मतलब इट इज़ लिटरली द फर्स्ट थिंग somebody notices about you, that how you look. So अगर तुम्हें अपने बारे में कुछ चेंज करना है, you feel that it is important that you need to look a certain way, do it for yourself. I think this is going to be the last one, but always be humble and grounded and thankful for what you have achieved in life. I have seen people posting about things that do not deserve to be posted about. And I was recently reading this quote that your job is the dream of the unemployed, your good health is the dream of the ill, your house is the dream of the homeless. So, I mean, always learn to count your blessings, say thank you to whoever you believe in once a day. And stay humble, yaar. Be kind to people. Don't judge people. It's fine. It's okay. People make mistakes. अगर तुम गलतियाँ करते हो तो दूसरे भी गलतियाँ करते हैं. It's okay. And yeah, I mean, stay grounded to who you are. Remember where you come from. And I'm not saying that you should not be confident or putting yourself out there. That is how you become visible in the world. You have to tell the world about who you are, who they're dealing with, but at the same time you have to be very very grounded about it and very kind about it. So yeah, a mix of that balance is what gets you ahead in life. And even I am just 21 years old. There's a lot that even I have to learn in life right now. And जितना मैं सीख रही हूँ, जितना मैंने सीखा है, I've put into this video, and I'm sure there's a lot more that you guys have heard, or even मुझे भी पता होगा, but अभी मैं सोच नहीं पा रही हूँ. तो अगर मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आता है तो I'll make another video. I mean, yeah, just chill. It's okay. Life is serious, but it's only as serious as you take it. Don't get into a spiral of things कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो वो कैसे होगा, वो नहीं हुआ तो ये कैसे होगा. It always works out. You always get through it. I mean, मैं रोना धोना करूँगी पूरा, but I will get through it. If not with somebody's help, alone. It's fine. Okay, चलता है. Oh yeah. One more. Learn to live alone. I think that is also very very important. कि you should know how to enjoy your own company, and अगर कोई तुम्हारे साथ नहीं है, how to live without that person. And I mean, even your bestest friends have their life to focus on, and उनकी life में कुछ चल रहा होगा where they might not be able to give you time. So it's okay. You do not be emotionally dependent on other people. Be emotionally dependent on yourself, only and only yourself. you अपना coping mechanism बनाओ, like for example reading or writing helps me. So I write down my thoughts and it makes me feel better. So find out what helps for you. Music helps me a lot. So just find out what helps you and how to deal with things on your own. Because at the end of the day, sometime in your life you'll get to a point where there'll be no one but yourself to help you. And yeah, that is it for this video. अगर तुमने कुछ सीखा तो नाइस, इफ नॉट, अगर तुम्हें ये सब पहले से पता था, वेरी नाइस. But I hope this video acts as a reminder that you're okay the way you are. अगर तुम्हें कुछ improvements करने हैं तो करो, it's fine, and don't take shit from anybody. Yeah, bye, see you next time.